Ever stared at your screen thinking, I just want a cinematic magic, not a PhD in editing? Yeah, same here. That's why I tested Higgsfield and Dreamina AI, so you don't have to waste hours clicking random buttons. Let's start with Higgsfield. This one feels like a full movie studio packed into a browser. We get mixed media effects, cinematic transitions, realistic lighting controls, face swaps, relighting, and even wild effects like explosions, portals, and anime style transformations. What I personally love, everything feels layered and intentional, like you're actually directing a scene, not just generating content and hoping for the best. Now, Dreamina AI is a different vibe. It's fast, simple, and very beginner friendly. You type a prompt and boom, you get clean images or short videos that work great for posters, thumbnails, or quick social content. I found it especially useful when I needed results now, not after tweaking sliders for 20 minutes. So, which one should you choose? If you want a cinematic control and creative depth, Higgsfield wins. If you want speed, simplicity, and easy visuals, Dreamina delivers. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store linked below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.